Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to compare the 5K video playback support test between the Poco F3 GT versus the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So before this video I did do the 8K video testing and the 4K video testing as well. The 8K video playback was not that smooth in both phones, so that is the reason I thought of testing the 5K video. Let's see 5K video whether it will be playing very smooth in these both phones or not. And both phones are having the Dimensity 1200 chipset, so not all the phones will be able to play this kind of 5K videos. Only few phones will be able to play with this kind of 5K videos with a very good powerful process only. So let's start the test, friends, without wasting any time. So this is exact sample video which I'm trying to play in both phones at same time, as you can see, friends, clearly. Right now both phones are playing really good in terms of the playing the 5K video without any kind of issues, as you can see, which looks fantastic, the 5K video playback. So I cannot see any kind of lag or delay during this process of demonstration. It's playing pretty normal and at same time only. Both phones are having at same time. As you can see, nothing much delay at this point. So it's a future-proof option. You should know what kind of videos and what is the highest resolution your phone will be able to support. Because right now we are seeing a lot of YouTube videos in the 4K resolution as well. So there's a good thing to test whether the phone will be able to play with the 5K videos or not. And let me do forward and backward. Let's see whether we can actually feel any kind of lag or delay. I cannot feel anything, as you can see, friends. Same thing applies to the Poco F3 GT as well. Even the Poco F3 GT also, I cannot feel any kind of lag when I'm trying to move forward and backward, nothing at all. And now let me try to show you exactly what is the resolution of the video, so you know exactly I'm playing only the 5K video. And what is the frame rates? Is it 60 FPS or is it 30 FPS frame rates? That's what I'm going to exactly show you right now. So let me try to open the tools in both phones and properties. Now you'll be able to see the resolution size, which is of 5120 into 2700. As you can see, the resolution 5K resolution, and the frame rates at 30 FPS. This is a 5K 30 FPS playback test in this both phones. As you can see, friends, exactly same video, same resolution, you can clearly see here. So I think overall the 5K video playback is supported in both phones, so you should not be worried at all. But when you're trying to play with this kind of high resolution videos, definitely there will be a lot of heat generating in both phones. As you can see the temperatures increasing. I'll try to do the intense kind of testing as well later on with other video playbacks, so you'll be able to understand more. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, don't forget to check the links in description for more playlist. In case if you want me to do any other comparison side by side, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned, friends. Bye.